I created this, and this with Facebook Meta AI. Let me teach you how I take do am. Don go, follow me.
Yes, head over to your Facebook like this. Go to your messenger. That's your message where you normally chat with people. Then you see this logo here. This is Meta AI logo on Facebook. Just click on it. You see this place they said ask anything, any image at all that you want to create. Just ask this Meta AI. They will create it within few seconds. Let's ask Meta AI to create a cat in the bedroom. Just a moment. Within few seconds now, they will create it for you. You cannot use the image and do whatever thing you want to do. Just wait a moment. You will see it. Please like, comment, and share. You see, this is it. And if you want to save it, just click on image. Click here, more, then save photo. If you click here now, the photo will save on your phone. See, save to phone. That's all. Very simple.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information. Turn on your notification button so that